Hello dear friends, myself Dr.VEENA'S Academic here with my YouTube channel, that is DR.VEENA'S Academic Realm. And today we will be discussing one of the very important topic from research, that is IEC. So let us start with today's session. So today I will be highlighting on the different aspects of Institutional Ethical Committee and its clearance, which will be helpful for the nursing students, not even nursing student, other health sciences students, and PhD scholar, faculty, PG students. So what will be the outline for today's session? So first we will see what is Institutional Ethical Committee, what are the members, what are their roles, why the ethical clearance is important once it comes to the participant and research, and how to prepare before facing the ethical committee. How to prepare yourself is also very important. So let us start with today's session, Institutional Ethical Committee and its clearance. So first we will see why this ethical clearance is important once it comes to the research process and proceeding for the research. So IEC, when it comes to the participant or human being, IEC is very important because we are dealing with a human being. We are dealing with the data collection during the human being. It is a research on the human being. So it is very much important to have the ethical clearance. So we will come to know what are the rights of the patient, what do you understand with the consent, confidentiality. There are so many things under. We will see the aspects of the consent and all. So this, because of this, ethical clearance is very important, and it is duty of ethical committee to check the rights, whether it is harming to the participant, whether it is harming autonomy of the participant or privacy. So IEC is very important once it comes to the ethical and clearance and once it comes to the research. Now who all are the members of ethical committee? First there will be a chairperson, then a member secretary. Chairperson will be leading, or we can say leading or coordinating with all members. Then member secretary will be organizing all ethical clearance committee circular, sending the proposal to the experts, then taking their feedback and coordinating with each and everyone whoever involved in the ethical committee. So member secretary is also having the major role as compared to chairperson also. Then there will be a different members, like there will be a subject expert who will be taking care of subject or a specialization or expertise in that particular research. Then there will be one lawyer taking care of the ethical aspects, autonomy of the patient, confidentiality, consent form. Biostatistics also will be there, who will be taking care of the sample size and how to calculate a number of samples. Then next there will be a physician, who will be, again it is related to human being once it comes to the health sciences research. So physician is also important. Then one of the expert, language expert, like research is in the English, Hindi, Marathi, or in other languages also as per the state or as per the participants language. So language expert is also important. There has to be one lay person who understanding at the basic level what is research exactly. So there will be a different experts, subject experts, physician, then lawyer. Then educationist is also one of the part of ethical committee. So these members will be checking all in and out rights of the patient, not harming any study to the patient, and what are the protocol followed. So these will be the members and their responsibility during the ethical clearance, having the major or vital role in ethical clearance once it comes to the research. Next aspect is very important for the researcher, how to prepare or how to face the research and ethical committee clearance. So first, what are the preparation? First, after the problem statement or title selection, first you need to understand what is review of literature. You have to prepare the synopsis with the help of the guide and expert. Then form the tool. Different tools are available, or maybe it is related to permission. You have to take the, if it is copyright, you have to take the permission from that, or you can modify if according to your study, or it can be prepared by your own. So tool is very important. Tool So once the problem statement is finalized, you have to work out on the methodology. So methodology will consist of different like type of study, sample selection criteria, then sampling technique, how to calculate the sample, and preparation. All the process steps you have to follow in the synopsis, including that you need to have an expert opinion for all samples or whatever sample size you are taking, or which method you are using for the data collection, which analysis or test you are going to follow that. Second thing, you need to prepare the tool very well. You need to prepare tool in the English, and then same thing you have to translate with the help of language expert in Marathi or Hindi or other languages. Again, you have to translate from Marathi to English or Hindi to English, and again English to Marathi. So you have to check for the language. There should not be change of meaning in the tool. So tool is also important. Then along with tool, there has to be a consent form, need to check in English, and again translation in Marathi, English, Hindi and other languages. After consent form, the blueprint, or you can say the outline for the blueprint of your tool is important. Answer key is also important. And along with that, if you are having some intervention or protocol, so preparation of protocol is also important. So what are the key aspects you need to prepare before ethical? Problem statement, clarity of problem statement, review of literature. Along with that, the synopsis, short synopsis you can have. Tool in English, Marathi, Hindi and other languages. Consent form English, Marathi, Hindi and other languages. Then you should have an outline or steps of process, how you are going to proceed for the research, and protocol or any intervention you are using, or you need any certification for that expertise, it has to be ready before ethical. So this preparation has to be ready, and get it checked with the guide, and take the opinion of different subject experts also. So this will be the preparation is very necessary to prepare the for ethical clearance. Then whatever review of literature you are preparing, whatever protocol you are preparing, you have to take the prior permission of author, whoever is the author for that particular. Or if you are preparing for yourself, you need to have a editing or English language or Marathi language expert to help to prepare the final tool. So this was very short about the IEC, that is ethical clearance for the researcher. So we have seen about the what is IEC, ethical clearance committee, what are the members who all involved in the ethical committee, what are their responsibilities, and how to prepare yourself for the ethical committee. So hope you understood this video, or if you have any doubt, you can just drop the questions. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.